I must have an issue out with an antenna because my signal strength is down to 0. I noticed lately that she's not been receiving too well. I got 9 on antenna 1. I got the coax on number 2. There's no signal strength. She's usually like buried. Looks like I'm gonna have to go out and have a little look at the antenna, at the long wire antenna. Let's go out and investigate. See what the hell's going on out there, because something obviously is something out there's not right. I should have like an S7 or a 9 on this signal. Easy. Let's go have a look. Well, I think that could certainly do it. Coax broke off from the main wire. Not sure how it happened, but anyway, get that fixed. Alright. Yeah, so both we're clear to crimp. Yeah. Should go more a little bit. I also use 75 ohm coax for my long wire antennas. I just direct fed the cable, the antenna wire, to the center conductor of the coax. That's it. No balun, no nothing. Tape up the old shield. See the center conductor, which is wrapped in that tinfoil crap. So remove that. Remove that. So you're left with just the wire. Make sure that tinfoil crap is on your center conductor. Get that buck connector. terminate your wire. Put on good. Center. Turn it off. This is a bit long. Got it beside the crimp. Put that down. Pull test. Heat shrink. Heat shrink has a glue in there, so make sure that works. Now, put a bit of rubber tape over that. Rubber vulcanizing tape, it's called. That stuff there. My hands in the way here, but it is what it is. I need them. The rubber tape is going on tight over the connection. All the way up and all the way down. Keep it nice and tight. It almost turns white or grayish color. That means you got her nice and tight. It kind of looks like that. And we'll tape over that again. That vulcanizing tape is not UV protected, so the sun will break it down over time. Electrical tape is just to protect that from happening. That's it. Now, since the cable broke before, I can tighten that wire because this thing's a bit loose. Stretched over the winter, I guess. I got a loop right there. Oh, it's nice. Okay. Like that. Now, I like to use tie wraps to hold my wires. I find tie wraps work pretty good. Secure the coax. The broke blast on it. Secure it to the wire. That should do it. Now that there is my long wire for the end fed. It's touching metal here. Insulate it, but it's touching. So I'm gonna fix that too now. Hey guys, that's what I used to fix that with. It's a ceramic insulator on a steel standoff. Same as you'd see across the road over here. Only these type I think were used for like telephone drops and whatnot. But hey, works for me. Hey, use what you got, what they say. Alright folks. Just thanks for watching. There we go. That's more like it. She works again. Yay. Amazing what happened. Got a piece of coax attached to your antenna. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching.
In a room of wires and blinking lights, radio nut 63 works through the night.